Abnormal means not normal or usual. Sample sentence, the patient showed abnormal test results. Abnormality means a deviation from the standard or norm. Sample sentence, genetic abnormalities can affect development. Absent means not present. Sample sentence, he was absent from the meeting. Accept means to agree or receive. Sample sentence, she accepted the scholarship offer. Accessible means easy to approach or reach. Sample sentence, the library is accessible to all students. Accountability means responsibility for actions. Sample sentence, teachers have accountability for student outcomes. Achievement means something accomplished successfully. Sample sentence, winning the award was a major achievement. Actively means in a deliberate or energetic way. Sample sentence, students actively participated in the discussion. Additionally means in addition. Sample sentence, additionally, the report includes new data. Analyst means a person who examines information. Sample sentence, the financial analyst predicted market trends. Appear means to become visible or noticeable. Sample sentence, symptoms appear within a few days. Appropriately means in a suitable manner. Sample sentence, the procedures were appropriately followed. Arguably means possibly true or open to argument. Sample sentence, this is arguably the most significant discovery of the century. Behave means to act in a particular way. Sample sentence, children are expected to behave politely. Beneficiary means a person who receives benefits. Sample sentence, the charity's beneficiaries were mostly children. Broadly means generally. Sample sentence, the findings are broadly consistent with previous studies. Categorize means to arrange into groups. Sample sentence, researchers categorize species based on morphology. Character means a distinctive quality. Sample sentence, integrity is an important character trait. Characterization means description or portrayal. Sample sentence, the characterization of the protein was detailed. Conceive means to form an idea. Sample sentence, scientists conceive new experiments to test hypotheses. Conceptualize means to form a concept. Sample sentence, the team conceptualized a model of urban growth. Conditional means depending on a condition. Sample sentence, the offer is conditional on approval. Consistency means the quality of being uniform. Sample sentence, consistency in data collection ensures reliability. Consistently means regularly or reliably. Sample sentence, the method consistently produced accurate results. Consume means to use up. Sample sentence, the engine consumes fuel efficiently. Creative means having the ability to create. Sample sentence, creative approaches enhance problem solving. Culturally means relating to culture. Sample sentence, the festival is celebrated culturally across regions. Descriptive means serving to describe. Sample sentence, descriptive statistics summarize the dataset. Determination means firmness of purpose. Sample sentence, her determination led to scientific breakthroughs. Differently means in another way. Sample sentence, students interpreted the data differently. Direction means guidance or path. Sample sentence, the project proceeded in the right direction. Dominance means the state of being dominant. Sample sentence, dominance of a species affects ecosystem balance. Originate means to begin or arise. Sample sentence, the idea originated from earlier research. Classic means traditional or exemplary. Sample sentence, the classic experiment demonstrates key principles. Economically means in terms of economy or efficiency. Sample sentence, economically, renewable energy is becoming viable. Efficacy means the ability to produce a desired effect. Sample sentence, the drug's efficacy was tested in trials. Efficiently means in a competent way. Sample sentence, the system operates efficiently under load. Essence means the intrinsic nature. Sample sentence, understanding the essence of the problem is crucial. Estimation means an approximate calculation. Sample sentence, population estimation helps. In urban planning, exclusive means limited to a specific group. Sample sentence, the club is exclusive to members. Exclusively means solely or only. Sample sentence, the funds are used exclusively for research. Explanatory means serving to explain. Sample sentence, explanatory notes clarify complex terms. Exploration means the act of investigating. Sample sentence, space exploration has advanced technology. Fundamentally means in a basic or essential way. Sample sentence, the approach is fundamentally different from traditional methods. Generalization means a broad statement. Sample sentence, the theory is based on generalization from limited data. Governmental means relating to government. Sample sentence, governmental policies influence public health. Historically means in the past. Sample sentence, historically, pandemics have affected society severely. Hypothesize means to propose an explanation. Sample sentence, researchers hypothesize that diet influences behavior. Hypothetical means based on a hypothesis. Sample sentence, this is a hypothetical scenario for discussion. Implicit means implied though not directly stated. Sample sentence, the instructions carry implicit assumptions. Implicitly means in a way not directly expressed. Sample sentence, he implicitly trusted the data. Importantly means in a significant way. Sample sentence, importantly, results must be replicated. Inappropriate means not suitable. Sample sentence, inappropriate comments were removed from the record. Inconsistent means not in agreement. Sample sentence, the results were inconsistent across trials. Independence means freedom from control. Sample sentence, independence of variables is crucial in experiments. Indirectly means not directly. Sample sentence, the policy affects citizens indirectly. Inform means to give knowledge. Sample sentence, teachers inform students about procedures. Informed means having knowledge. Sample sentence, an informed decision was made. Insufficient means not enough. Sample sentence, insufficient data limits conclusions. Integral means necessary for completeness. Sample sentence, collaboration is integral to success. Interactive means involving communication. Sample sentence, the platform is interactive and engaging. Intervene means to come between. Sample sentence, authorities may intervene in disputes. Interviewee means a person being interviewed. Sample sentence, the interviewee answered all questions. Investigator means a researcher. Sample sentence, the investigator conducted field studies. Leader means a person in charge. Sample sentence, the team leader coordinated efforts. Legally means according to law. Sample sentence, the process is legally binding. Localized means restricted to a location. Sample sentence, localized outbreaks were quickly contained. Locally means in a local area. Sample sentence, information is distributed locally. Mobile means capable of moving. Sample sentence, mobile devices enhance learning. Mobilize means to organize or prepare. Sample sentence, the community mobilized resources for relief. Modernity means the quality of being modern. Sample sentence, modernity influences urban architecture. Modernization means the process of making modern. Sample sentence, modernization improved infrastructure. Necessity means something required. Sample sentence, clean water is a necessity. Negatively means in a harmful way. Sample sentence, pollution affects health negatively. Normally means usually. Sample sentence, normally, students attend classes regularly. Operational means ready for use. Sample sentence, the machine is operational. Originally means at first. Sample sentence, the site was originally rural. Positively means in a beneficial way. Sample sentence, exercise affects mood positively. Predominantly means mainly. Sample sentence, the population is predominantly urban. Procedural means relating to a procedure. Sample sentence, procedural errors were noted. Productive means producing results. Sample sentence, productive discussions led to new ideas. Projection means an estimate of future trends. Sample sentence, the projection predicts population growth. Proposal means a suggested plan. Sample sentence, the proposal was approved by the committee. Reconstruct means to rebuild. Sample sentence, engineers reconstruct damaged bridges. Reconstruction means the act of rebuilding. Sample sentence, reconstruction after disasters is essential. Recording means the act of capturing data. Sample sentence, recording of sessions aids review. Reflection means serious thought. Sample sentence, reflection improves learning outcomes. Remove means to take away. Sample sentence, remove obstacles to progress. Reporting means the act of giving information. Sample sentence, reporting must be accurate. Respond means to reply. Sample sentence, scientists respond promptly to inquiries. Secondly means in the second place. Sample sentence, secondly, consider alternative methods. Sexuality means sexual identity. Sample sentence, discussions addressed sexuality openly. Simplify means to make simpler. Sample sentence, simplify procedures for clarity. Societal means relating to society. Sample sentence, societal norms influence behavior. Systematically means methodically. Sample sentence, data were systematically recorded. Terminology means the set of terms. Sample sentence, scientific terminology must be precise. Usage means the manner of using. Sample sentence, usage of the software was explained. Valuable means useful or important. Sample sentence, the findings are valuable for policy making. Varied means showing variety. Sample sentence, the results were varied across regions. Viewer means a person who watches. Sample sentence, each viewer rated the presentation. Wide means broad in extent. Sample sentence, the park has wide open spaces.